Hello, this is a BM-800 microphone test. As you can see, I bought it and it's verified purchase, and you can see the image right here. I'll also I can show it how it looks on my setup. That beautiful microphone, which also has got very amazing and awesome sound quality. It kinda has got quality which I could have from Blue Snowball, which is 40 pounds, not 20, which is twice as expensive. But yeah, this microphone is kinda steal for the price and quality, and it's just great value. And I keep my mouth like 20 centimeters or 30 centimeters from microphone. I have pop filter attached. I just bought this simple but yet effective pop filter, and I don't know if I need it or not, but here you go, I have it. And now, if someone is looking to buy this, go and get it. It's totally worth it, and you can see that it's just great. But keep in mind that you will need some kind of phantom power, or at least something similar to this. So I have got this sound card, sound adapter, whatever it's called. I attached this to USB 2 port, and I plugged in my microphone in this yellow thing, in this yellow jack. So yeah, totally works. So if you can just buy phantom power, which is kind of expensive. But if you don't want to spend this amount of money, you can just go for sound card. Now, what I think about this microphone, it's heavy, feels good in hands. I can feel that it's from metal. It's not like from cheap plastic or something. It's very well made, good materials and so on. Shock mount. Shock mount is very awesome too. Where it is? Here you go. Let me see. This is shock mount, as you can see. It's my microphone is upside down, as you could saw from my image right here. My microphone is upside down. Now, the shock mount keeps microphone whatever way you want. Very well. Microphone doesn't want to fall out or anything. It's just perfect for holding the microphone. Now, the cable is how it say it's it's fat, thick. I don't know. I'm sorry, I just don't speak English very well. It's not my primary language or anything. Yeah, but I don't remember words, so sorry if those were wrong. Yeah. Now, it comes with this windscreen. I guess it's called windscreen, I don't know. But yeah, it's totally worth it. Sound quality is awesome. I love it. Picks up sound very well. I can speak my normal voice. I don't need to shout or anything. And if I want, I can just pull. I know. Take my mouth like 50-60 centimeters from the microphone, speak the same volume as I did in the first video part, and as you can see, it picks sound very well, very okay. Now I can speak from the left side, go to the center part of the microphone and to the side, and it should pick up sound differently because condenser microphones pick up sound if you speak to its center, like to this, let me show. Okay, if you speak to this side of the microphone, not the top one, or not left, right or back or whatever, if you speak to the center, which is where I speak now, it's just great. Now, as you can see, the rating is pretty okay. That's awesome. So if you want, I will leave all the links in the description below. Sorry for my English. My primary language is Lithuanian, and my secondary, kinda secondary, is English. So, and I don't practice a lot or speak a lot in English. So hopefully you could understand what I said in this video. I don't know. I guess I said everything. You have more than 6 minutes of audio test of this microphone. I watched some of the tests on YouTube, but most of them were bad. And were bad because they didn't had sound adapter. Because those people who had testing the microphone, this microphone, I mean, they didn't read description or anything. They just bought it and just don't read anything. And they didn't know that we need phantom power because this microphone is not just dynamic. It's not, I don't know, just of a cheap microphone or whatever. So yeah, those bad quality testings were without sound card or without phantom power, so just don't listen to them because we are not maximum quality, not set up very well, so those tests are bad. Now I had some like 2 or 3 videos where tests were good, so if you find tests with good quality of this microphone, that's the real quality, that's the real deal. And that one guy which had good audio quality had this thing, the same thing. It's maybe cheaper, maybe more expensive, but it looks the same. So I bought the same product, works very well, and hopefully you 8 minutes will be enough for you to decide to buy or not to buy this microphone. And hopefully I spoken, I guess. I hope I spoken in the right volume to this microphone, so it doesn't pick too much of a sound or too less of a sound. So yeah, that's all I guess. So thanks for watching, and maybe I see you next time, maybe I'm not. So I just thanks for watching. I hope I will help you to decide, and all links will be in description below, and bye.